World Science Festival 2017 was an extravaganza of science and engineering.
The World Science Festival has chosen a couple of topics this year which are quite critical to all of us. One of those, water, another energy. Water is life, without which none of us can survive. Energy is an economy, which again, few of us can survive without.
Our experts, both local and global, were involved in a series of workshops across the Science Festival Brisbane this year.
For me, it's been great coming to Brisbane and being involved as a panellist on the World Science Festival's events. And the particular event I've just been involved in has been a look at where energy is going and how things are moving towards 2050. And I was able to talk about some of the issues that influence cities and the way in which cities are grabbing hold of the agenda in many respects in efficient energy.
Energy is extremely topical in Australia at the moment, and you can barely go past the front page of a newspaper without seeing a headline relating to some form of the energy trilemma.
One of the things that's great for Arup in this discussion is we are uniquely placed because we understand the built environment, we understand the way cities function, and we understand the complexity of the energy market. We work across the various sectors of energy, so we can bring that joining up input to this discussion.
This year at the World Science Festival Brisbane for Street Science, Arup is doing an activity where the children are working through a problem which is about energy and our future of energy. So we're getting them to think of really innovative solutions to how we can provide energy to our city. We've been getting some amazing energy ideas. The kids are getting out of it a really good opportunity to actually think through a problem from start to finish. Engineering is all about coming up with a solution to a problem, planning it appropriately, and then implementing that solution.
Creating Climate Safe Cities workshop series was inspired by the Deadline 2020 publication. This is a collaboration between Arup and C40 organisation, and it looked at how we could meet the needs of the Paris Agreement and really highlighted the need to take significant climate action between now and 2020. The aim was to run a series of workshops where we created climate initiatives that we could all collaborate on, and it was facilitated by myself and Dr. Chris Lukeman. One initiative that we looked at was reprioritising our streets to make them more people-friendly. Could we have a car-free day? And if we could have a car-free day, why not have that every fortnight or make it something more permanent within the city? The real-world outcomes of the Foresight series will be forming project teams around the initiatives and working with people like the Queensland Museum, Brisbane City Council and of course Arup to make these climate initiatives into reality.
What is clear is that the market is changing, and our clients are seeking our advice to help them prepare strategies that give them the dynamicism and flexibility to deal with that changing environment.
And getting to the point where we do live in a very clean environment with energy delivering everything that's needed. Because our dependency on energy is not going to go away. In fact, our demand for energy is growing year on year at the moment.
We have to look forward with optimism. The challenges which we are facing are legion, but our solutions are as well. And this is also inevitable, that we will find the solutions so that we can become thrivalists, not survivalists.